See, most entrepreneurs don't fail because they lack ideas, they fail because execution becomes overwhelming. We're entering an era where small teams can achieve outputs that previously required huge departments to achieve. Most people think AI is just about generating images or writing simple text, but that's not where the real shift is happening. The real shift is happening in thinking, in planning, in reasoning, in execution. And tools like Tencent Hunyuan HY3 Preview are changing how entrepreneurs brainstorm, solve problems, write systems, plan content, and scale ideas faster than ever before. This is why I believe AI may create the biggest wealth shift in our generation. But of course, this is not financial advice or business advice or anything. This is my opinion and what I think could potentially happen. Quick disclaimer as always before we go any further, this video is for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. As I mentioned, it's not business or finance advice. You have to remember this. Always seek independent advice before making any moves. One thing I've thought about is that every single major technological revolution creates leverage. The Industrial Revolution gave leverage through machines. The internet gave leverage through distribution. And I think AI gives leverage through intelligence in itself. And I think this is one thing most people still underestimate. AI isn't just replacing tasks, it's accelerating how humans think, build, solve, and execute real-life problems. And that's what caught my attention about Tencent's Preview, because it's designed around reasoning, instruction, following, coding, conversations, and intelligent workflows. See, most entrepreneurs don't fail because they lack ideas, they fail because execution becomes overwhelming. Planning, research, writing, decision-making, it's all time-consuming. And on top of that, you gotta worry about creating systems, you gotta worry about creating content, because we are in 2026, because without content, you're living in La La Land, essentially. And on top of that, you need to have smooth operations at an affordable rate. You gotta think about all of these things, and this is where I think AI starts becoming truly powerful. So let's say you're building a business with HY3 Preview. You can brainstorm business concepts. Here are some examples. The first example we're gonna go through is create a launch strategy for a personal finance YouTube channel. I'm typing this into the prompt now, going to see what it comes up with. We're also going to run another prompt where we say, write a content roadmap for a SaaS startup. We're also going to run another one where we say, help me structure a productivity app. We're also going to try another one where we create a storyboard for a cinematic business advertisement. As you can see, I'm demonstrating 4 different concepts essentially within the same tool. And what's interesting is how conversational and structured the reasoning feels. It's not just generating random outputs, it's helping organize thinking. And I think this is the difference. When the tool helps you organize thinking, it's not just a basic tool anymore. It's a real leverage enabler that helps you scale more efficiently from my point of view. One misunderstanding people have about AI is thinking it replaces creativity, which is ludicrous, but in reality, it can amplify creativity. That's the way I use AI. AI is there to help me with my thoughts. It doesn't do any creativity work for me, no. It just helps me take what I have in my head already and puts it out with ease. That's essentially what AI does for me personally. And I think that's personally the best way to look at AI. For example, for creators like me, the Preview can help with the following: write scripts, brainstorm storytelling ideas, structure scenes, analyze creative concepts, plan camera angles, organize production workflows. So instead of staring at a blank page for hours, you accelerate the ideation process. And for creators and entrepreneurs, speed matters more than you think. Think about how much modern business depends on communication, sales pages, marketing, brand storytelling, presentations, content. I talk about this a lot. Content is a really important form of contact in 2026. Emails, obviously, that's not going anywhere. Production explanations, because this is how you get your product across to someone who may not necessarily have the experience to usually understand what you're selling. AI models like Tencent Hunyuan HY3 Preview can help streamline a huge amount of the workflow when you truly think about it. I personally think that the biggest advantage in the next decade won't be just money. It will truly be things like adaptability, because tools like this can also assist with coding, debugging, workflow automation, technical problem solving, structured planning, and that dramatically lowers the barrier to building things efficiently in the near future. The entrepreneurs who learn faster will likely move faster, and the people who move faster often create the biggest opportunities out there. We're entering an era where small teams can achieve outputs that previously required huge departments to achieve. One creator can run a media company, digital products, marketing systems, online education, automation workflows with AI-assisted systems supporting that entire process. But this doesn't mean humans disappear. It means human capability expands because one person can do multiple things. One thing I particularly like about this tool is its focus on structured reasoning and instruction following, because good AI isn't just about generating answers. That's a problem if you think that's good AI. It's about helping humans think more effectively, and that means sometimes criticizing your thought process if it's not rational or logical. So here's the interesting part. We are still early, very early in my opinion. Most businesses still haven't integrated intelligent workflows properly, and many people are still treating AI like a novelty instead of a competitive advantage. Meanwhile, people like me are quietly learning how to use these systems to multiply productivity, and historically the people who adapt early to technological shifts tend to benefit the most. This is just something that's been given and been throughout our history as human beings. The internet changed access to information, but AI is changing execution in itself. And entrepreneurs who learn how to combine creativity, systems, reasoning, adaptability, and AI tools will likely have a massive advantage over the next decade. Look, it's time for me to round up this video anyways. If you want to explore Tencent Hunyuan HY3 today for yourself, I'll leave a link in the top part of my description as always. And honestly, I think we're only seeing the beginning of what tools like this can eventually become. We are entering a completely new era of business and creativity. The question is this: will you adapt early or late? That can make all the difference to your pocketbook from my perspective in the long run. But with that said, I'm rounding this video up now, and I'll see you on the next video where we're of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship. And if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you stay up to date and up to tune with my next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.